Hi, this is Ranjan Goenka. In this video, I will be talking to you about the TDS sections 194I and 194J. 194I is basically TDS on payment of rent, and 194J is TDS on payment to professionals. Recently, both these sections have been split into two parts. Briefly, I would be explaining to you what this split is all about. 194I is basically payment for rent. Now it has been split into 194IA and 194IB. 194IA, the tax is 2%. And this is basically for rental payment of plant, machinery, equipment, and others similar to this. Whereas 194B, the TDS is 10%, and this is basically for land, building, maybe furniture, fittings, and something similar to this attracts 10% TDS. So this earlier all were 10% together, and in between the section was the same, but 10 and 2% was put together, and one was not very sure whether the right deduction was being taken place. But by splitting the two into 2% and 10% with a very clear definition, now it has become very easy for tax deductors to deduct tax and report the information to the department. Similarly is the case of 194J. 194J is payment to professionals. Typically it was 10%, and now they introduced deduction of 2% in some exceptional cases. The popular exceptional cases was basically payment to call centers, which was 2%. And later on, for technical services also, it became 2%. So 194JA takes care of the call center, payment for technical services, and others defined, but these two are the most popular over here. And 194JB is basically for rest of the payments you make for professional services. One more thing important to note over here is when we talk about 194I, that is payment to rent, the threshold is 2,40,000. Up to 2,40,000, you need not deduct TDS. And for 194J, the threshold is 30,000. When we talk about the threshold, we are talking about payment to a particular PAN number or to a particular person. So if the payment doesn't exceed the threshold, there is no need to deduct TDS. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for your time.